To use Google Pay, follow these steps. Step number 1. Set up Google Pay. If you have not already, download the Google Pay app from the Google Play Store, Android or App Store, iOS. Launch the app and follow the on-screen instruction to set up your account. You will need to link a payment method such as a credit or debit card to your Google Pay account. Number 2. Add a payment method. Open the Google Pay app and tap on the Payments tab. Select Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to add your card details. You can either manually enter the card information or use the camera to scan the card. Number 3. Verify your card. In some cases, you might need to verify your card for security purposes. Google Pay may prompt you to make a small transaction or enter a verification code sent by your card issuer. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Number 4. Make payments in stores. To make a payment at a physical store, ensure that NFC near field communication is enabled on your phone. Hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal or card reader and wait for the payment configuration on your phone screen. Some stores may also require you to unlock your phone or authenticate the payment using your fingerprint, PIN or face recognition. Number 5. Make online payments. When shopping online, look for the Google Pay logo or select Google Pay as the payment option during checkout. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the payment. You may need to authenticate the transaction with your fingerprint, PIN or other security measures. Number 6. Send money to friends and family. Open the Google Pay app and tap on the Payment tab. Select Send and enter the recipient's phone number, email or select them from your contacts. Enter the amount you want to send and add a note if desired. Confirm the details and tap Send. The recipient will receive a notification and can claim the money. Number 7. Request money from others. Open the Google Pay app and tap on the Payment tab. Select Request and enter the person's phone number, email or select them from your contacts. Enter the amount you want to request and add a note if needed. Tap Request to send the request. The recipient will receive a notification and can choose to fulfill the request. Number 8. Manage transactions and settings. You can view your transaction history, manage your payment methods, set up default payment methods, and adjust other settings in the Google Pay app. Explore the various tabs and menus within the app to access these features. Remember to follow local regulations and guidelines when using Google Pay. Additionally, ensure that your device and the store you visit support Google Pay as a payment method.